Hey you guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Alright, today I wanted to talk about my eyebrows. Hold on, I'm trying to find a good angle. Today I wanted to talk about my eyebrows. Well, in particular, this eyebrow. I was going through Instagram and I saw that a lot of people were doing like slits on their eyebrows and I decided to do it myself. See? You couldn't even tell. How does it look? What do you guys think? Do you think I can rock? I wanted to talk about like how I did it. I guess I wanted to talk about two things. I wanted to talk about how I did it, and also I think a lot of people's initial reactions are like, why would you do that to your face and stuff? Well, like many things that I always say, because I like the way it looks. So I saw other people do it on Instagram and I was like, I should probably try that. But then I guess one thing that I do think of a lot, I think about like, okay, if I need to be somewhere important, how am I going to cover it up? How am I going to get around this, you know? The easiest thing that I could think of was just using a little bit of eyebrow pencil. But more on that later. You know, I was actually shaving or trimming my beard, my facial hair, and I thought, should I do this? Let me see if I can get better lighting. That works. Just ignore this. At first, I was trimming my beard. I was using a beard trimmer, and I decided, you know what? How about I trim my eyebrow, or at least cut a slit into it? So I took the beard trimmers. First, I did make kind of like a line. Then I realized that that could go south very fast. If I make a mistake, it's gonna literally shave off my entire eyebrow. So I left it. I had a small groove in there, and so what I did, what I should have done from the beginning, is probably I should have drawn a line with eyebrow pencil. And then what I should have done is just taken some tweezers and just plucked out the eyebrows that I wanted to take out to make the slit. I think a lot of people probably do use like clippers or something like that, or they ask like their barber to just cut a slit into their eyebrow, but to be honest, I didn't really want to mess that up. And also, I'm not going to go see a barber for a while. And thirdly, I think I probably would have been a little bit embarrassed to be like, oh, sorry, can you give me one of those like eyebrow slits? And then if he doesn't know what it is, I'd have to look up the picture and all that stuff. But I just thought, you know what, the easiest thing to do is probably just do it myself. I think it looks pretty good. I don't think the lighting was good enough in that room, so here I am in the hallway. I think it looks pretty cool. Also, another thing that I did is that I took the eyebrow pencil and I kind of gave it a little bit of a shape because I think I plucked out like some hairs in the wrong spot. I think it looks pretty cool. Makes me look tough, like I got into a fight. Now, secondly, that I wanted to talk about is concealing it. Like I said, I think a lot of people are going to object to the idea. They're going to say like, oh, what if like you have a job interview? What is work going to say? I think a lot of places of work have kind of like calmed down with these types of things. However, if you are in a professional environment that requires you to look normal, I suggest that you take an eyebrow pencil. If you don't have one of these at home, I think it's great just to have in general to give your eyebrow a little bit of shape. So all you have to do is just basically just very carefully go in and color in the eyebrow. If you want to try out this eyebrow slit trend, I highly recommend that you have like an eyebrow pencil just in case if you need to be in like a professional environment, or if you gotta go to church, at least you kind of have that safeguard as well. And honestly, like, you can't really tell. I like how it looks. I think it looks cool. I think it looks edgy. It makes me look hip, you know, if I may. Anyways, thanks guys for coming back to my channel. So if you guys want to follow me for like fashion and men's grooming and all that stuff like that, just make sure you hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.